Hey family, welcome back to my channel. If you watched the last video down below, then you know that this one right here, you gotta see how I did this. The touch up. Yes, this is a touch up. Stick around. Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today is touch up day, so we're gonna touch up the sides. As you can see, it's kind of black, so what I did was I shaved it down some and put my hair clips up. So now we're going to just put some dye in it, the same dye. You can see it's black down there. We're gonna put the same dye I put in there before. So here we go. We're ready. And we're gonna touch up the sides. We're gonna touch up the sides. Not the whole head, but just the sides. Yes, we are. So keep watching so you can see the end. So now that I have the dye in my hair, you might want to get you a towel, because I always have a towel up there so I can wipe off all the excess, like from your ears and stuff. And yeah, and you're gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes, you're gonna rinse it out really good. And if you don't want to wash your whole head, I suggest you just rinse it really good. Just try not to get it up here, you know, because sometimes the dye will get up here. And if it gets up there, then you have to rinse your whole head and wash your whole head. But I am always careful, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe it after the 10 minutes is up. And then I'm gonna put some shampoo on here and I'm gonna wash the sides off real good. Shampoo it real good, make sure it doesn't get up here where you see I have the hair clips in there. I put the hair clips in there to guide me. So when I shave my edges down some, it wouldn't cut the other parts of my hair, and it lined it up real good. And also I leave them in so when I can, you know, dye the hair, the edges. So you guys, now when I get done, I'm gonna come back after I shampoo and everything, and then we're gonna go to the dye process. We put the Adore, the pink blush Adore in there, which you seen on my last video, everything I use. So yeah, I'll be back to show you how this rinse came out. So I'm back, and look, you guys, let's see. Bleached. Look. All in the back is bleached. So guess what we're gonna do now? Okay, so I have, you already know, my Adore pink blush. And I added a little conditioner in it. That's the difference. I add some conditioner in it. And I'm just gonna go in. Look at that. Look at that. And I'm not even using my gloves today because the conditioner is in it. But if it was a full pink, I would put my gloves on. So what I did was, the rest that I had left over, I decided to put some conditioner in it. Yes, everywhere. But the conditioner is in it. Put the conditioner in it. I need it. And you guys know I don't have on my glasses, so I can't see pretty much. So I'm gonna have to turn around and see where I'm at. So what I'm doing is just trying to match it up with the color that's already in there. That's all I'm doing. It's running everywhere. Ooh, look. Okay. I'm just trying to match it up with the color that I already have in there. That's all. That will get me until next week. Because I'm trying to do a touch-up every other week. That's just basically what I do. I have one. Let's see if this should be done. And I can show you. Look, it's already staining on my fingers. So then I take the next bottle that I have this half empty. And I'm just blending it. Try to blend it with the color I already have in there. That's how I do my touch-up. People ask me all the time, if you just did your ends, how do you get it to look the same? You just take your bottle with the dye that's already in it, an empty bottle, and I take another bottle that's full of dye and I put it in there. That way it won't be too dark. And then I leave it on. It does stain a little bit, not too much. It doesn't stain that much, and you probably noticed that. It's not going to stain that much, not even in your fingernails. So then I leave it that in for 10 minutes, and then I come back, rinse it out, and then we go with the shampoo. So I will be back once I rinse this out, and then I'll show you how to put my shampoo in here. Stick around. Come back. Look at my sides. And it's blending in very well. My hair got a little wet after I did it, but I'll show you the results after it dries. Because when it dries, my hair just be so puffy. Right now, we're looking at shrinkage, okay? Look at that. It's time. It's already time for me to do the, but I'm not gonna do the scalp right now. But here we go. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. And guess what? The products I use, they're gonna be in the description. So you can click on the link and purchase the products without having to go to a beauty supply store. It's very convenient. Like, you will get the products within 2 days. That's the good thing about it. Hey, this is the final results. Look at that. It's not that dark, but guess what? It's good enough. Got a little shrinkage going on. It's dry. We got a little shrinkage going on up in here. Guess what? She ready. Look at the back. Thanks for watching my channel. Everybody that's been here, Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please share. Please share. Please share. I will be back. I've been gone for a minute. Some of you know that I've been grieving. I lost my mom, so it's been a lot, and I've been dealing with health issues. So now, you guys, I'm trying to stay motivated to come to you and, yeah, share my little hair tutorials with you guys. Thank you all for watching and sharing. Have a good day.